Do you want your popcorn to look like this, popping and everything? Then I'm going to teach you how to make this popcorn. So let's go, guys.
Eat
Eat
by
by
Payoneer.
So, hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. So this is me just resting, and my husband man said he need popcorn. So and we have small corn in the house, and I decided that okay, let me just do popcorn for him. So yeah, let's prep it. So I'll be using groundnut oil, power oil, groundnut oil. I have this small remaining popcorn here. So yeah, what I do is that before my popcorn gets ready, I take like some sugar like this. You can see the way I'm taking it like this, not too much, something like this. I mix it with water. I mix with water and keep aside. Okay, yeah. So we'll mix this with water and keep aside. Just small water like this. Just small water like this. I'll just keep this one aside, okay? Meanwhile, I have my milk. So we'll get to that. So right now I'm gonna put small groundnut oil in the pot. Oh, just small because let it not be too much because popcorn is not plenty. So you know that since I'm using this hot plate, I'm not going to have that chance of lowering it and like increasing it. You know, your gas or anything you're using is supposed to be like to the minimal smallest level. Okay, so I feel like this groundnut oil is hot. I'm going to put my popcorn inside. So once I put my popcorn inside, the popcorn is not much, it's just small. Okay, you can see it's very small, but let's see the amount of popcorn it's going to bring. Yeah, so once I put it inside, I'll cover it. Oh my god, the cover of this particular pot is not this one. I feel like if it's popping, it's gonna pop outside. I don't know. So then I keep my plate ready. My plate is ready. Then I'm going to make sure my milk. See that right now it's popping, popping, popping already. Let me show you guys. See, like it's popping, popping, popping already. So I just shake, 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 so I can be able to get all the popcorn out. So my plate is clean. I have to drop this one of course I'm done with this. So we're just going to wait for it until it's done popping, okay? So pop, keep popping, my darling. Okay, so I feel like I'm just going to turn this off so that the heat from the hot plate is going to pop up the rest of the corn. So you guys can see. So the next thing I'm going to do now, oh my god, 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 I'm going to make it down, bring it down since this is off. Then I'm going to turn this particular one that has popped inside this place. So where do I set my plates now? Okay, let's set it here so that you guys can actually see. So it is very, very hot. I need to carry my stuff. You guys can see how good it is. I'll just pour it in like this. I still have some small one that has not popped, but there's no point. So I'm just gonna bring out this other one. You can use your spoon or any other thing that you want to use to bring it out. So That one is burnt already. Okay. So guys, I just have to pick these burnt ones and remove them out so quickly. So yeah, I think this is what we got. So now, this is my sugar, this one that I've already melted. I just have to give it a little stir more. You can see a little stir more, and then I do it like this. This is the only way I get to have that sweetness in my popcorn. Not too much, guys. Give it a stir like this. You taste. Okay, it's giving the sugar vibes. You add a little again, and then you stir. So right now, everything is perfect. Now I'm going to add my 2 sachets of milk. 2 sachets of milk, that's what I'll be adding. So I'll pour like this so that everything will come out very well. You can see this is my 2 sachets of milk there. I'll give it a good stir. And now let's go and serve my husband. You guys, are you seeing what this popcorn is giving? So that all the milk can come out with it, you can see. Then you pour this other milk on top like this. You guys, if you taste this popcorn, oh my god. So yeah, popcorn is ready, so let's go serve my hubby. I hope you guys are seeing it, okay? I hope you guys are seeing it. Let's go serve my hubby. So guys, let's go. Hello, popcorn.
Thank you so much. It's so beautiful.
Like, it's looking more like the best popcorn I've ever made in my life. Because the other ones used to get annoying.
It's the best popcorn.
How does it taste?
We'll not buy popcorn again.
How does it taste?
Very sumptuous.
I like it.
Very nice.
Like, I did a different pattern on this one.
Yeah, you can see, and
Everything came out well.
it's looking like an agri popcorn.
So is there a local popcorn? Anyways, guys, you can see my uncle on top, or my uncle on top, enjoying himself. Like, he really likes the popcorn.
Please, guys, come join me.
Zeb, we should come and join him.
Take an Uber, take a flight, take anything you need to take. Just come join me.
Omo, at least I've done another one wife material thing, or wife series. I'm a confirmed wife material. Am I lying?
This is just the best.
Are you serious? Like, the milk, is the milk enough?
Enough. The best among best.
See how my blackie is enjoying himself. My black husband.
You deserve something?
What are you going to give me?
What is-
I should end the camera because you know me, I love when I hear I deserve something. Shall I stop the camera? Shall I stop videoing?
I want to give you, they don't need to know about it.
That's what I say. Shall I stop videoing?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, I love you guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like this video, drop your comments. And lastly, do not forget to share. And with no further ado, I don't like all of my videos. I'm going to say bye. I'll see you guys in my next video.
Bye for now.
Bye, guys. Mwah.